In the student OneNote, there are 12 activities. We started these last term with the basics, the introduction to Python. It is important that students work through these using Visual Studio Code, but to enter in these activities and try these activities as they go into either idle or Visual Studio Code or Align GDB. So these will give the basic syntax and way that code works. At any point, once they're feeling confident, they may skip ahead and look at these activities here. These activities will not make sense until you have some of the basic code down. But this code here is an image, so they have to type it in themselves. There is no need to type in the green comments, but simply type in these, and these will give us examples of there is 3 different types of loops. In this first one, the question in OneNote they need to answer is list the variables. So here's a variable, 2 variables that are being assigned a value of 0. They need to tell me what the variable name is, what type of variable is, and what it's being used for in the program. There is a second version of a very similar program that does the same thing, but it uses a different style of loop, uses some different commands in here. So once again, they need to describe what the sentinel value is, the value, what it's doing, why this code is different, or why it might be an advantage. There is a third version of the code here where they've tried to eliminate the need to press Y after each entry, so that instead of having to say the person's age, yes, the person's age, yes, it simply goes for age, and the sentinel value is then done to end the loop. But there is a logic error in here. This computer code works perfectly. It is not a syntax or a runtime error. The computer will run this, it will work, but it'll give the wrong answer. Students will need to figure out why it's given the wrong answer, why this use of code isn't working, and down here there is the corrected version by adding something to it, explain what was added and how it was done. So to understand these loops and this code, you will need to have done these parts here.